Did you know that cloudy headlights can reduce your nighttime visibility by as much as 80%? That's right. Something as simple as foggy, yellowed headlights might be putting you and your passengers at risk every time you drive after dark. Take a moment to think about your own vehicle. Are your headlights crystal clear, or have they started to look hazy and dull? If you're like most drivers, you might not realize just how much those cloudy lenses could be affecting both your safety and your confidence on the road. But here's the good news. You don't have to spend a fortune at the auto shop to get your headlights looking like new again. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, budget-friendly hack that costs just $15, yet delivers dramatic results. This easy method will not only restore your headlights to their former glory, but also make your nighttime driving safer and more enjoyable. Let's start by talking about the problem itself. Over time, exposure to sunlight, road debris, and harsh weather can take a toll on your headlights. The plastic lenses are especially vulnerable to oxidation, which is what causes that familiar yellowed, cloudy appearance. It's a widespread issue. Millions of car owners deal with it every year. Not only do foggy headlights make your car look older and less cared for, but more importantly, they scatter and dim the beam of light, reducing the distance you can see at night. This can mean the difference between spotting an obstacle in time or having precious seconds shaved off your reaction time. It's a problem that affects nearly every make and model, from compact cars to SUVs and trucks. So, what can you do about it? You could pay a professional to restore your headlights, but that can easily cost upwards of $100 per lens. You could even buy new headlights, but that's an expensive and often unnecessary solution. Instead, let's dive into a simple $15 hack that anyone can do at home with just a few basic supplies. Here's what you'll need. A headlight restoration kit, which you can find at any auto parts store or online for around $15. Most kits come with everything required, but double-check that yours includes a cleaning solution, a sanding pad or polishing disc, and a protective sealant. If you want to enhance your results, grab a microfiber cloth, some painter's tape, and a spray bottle of water. That's it. No special tools, no complicated steps. Now, let's walk through the process together. First, make sure your car is parked in a shaded area and the headlights are cool to the touch. Begin by cleaning the surface of the headlights with soap and water to remove any loose dirt or grime. Next, use painter's tape to mask off the area around the headlights. This step is crucial. It protects your paintwork from accidental scratches during the restoration. Once you're set up, apply the cleaning solution from your kit onto the lens. Most kits use a mild abrasive compound that helps break down the oxidized layer on the plastic. Using the sanding pad or polishing disc, gently work the compound into the surface, moving in small circular motions. Don't be alarmed if the lens looks even cloudier at first. This is normal. You're essentially removing the damaged outer layer to reveal fresh, clear plastic underneath. After you've thoroughly polished both headlights, rinse the lenses with water and wipe them dry with a microfiber cloth. Now comes the magic moment. Apply the protective sealant. This step is key to keeping your headlights clear for months to come. The sealant forms a barrier against UV rays and environmental contaminants, preventing the plastic from becoming cloudy again. Simply use the applicator pad provided in your kit to spread the sealant evenly across the surface and let it dry according to the instructions. The results speak for themselves. Imagine standing in front of your car and seeing the transformation. Where once there was a dull yellow haze, now you have sparkling, crystal-clear headlights. The difference is dramatic, not just in appearance, but in performance. You'll notice brighter, more focused beams that cut through the darkness, making every drive safer. It's a quick project you can finish in under an hour, and the impact is immediate. Let's take a closer look at the before and after. Picture your headlights as they were, dull, tired, and giving off a weak, scattered glow. Now, after this simple $15 restoration, they shine with a clarity that rivals a brand new car. It's not just about looks. Clear headlights improve your visibility, help other drivers see you more easily, and boost your vehicle's resale value. You'll feel more confident every time you get behind the wheel, knowing you've taken a smart step to protect yourself and your loved ones. To recap, here are the steps we followed. Start by washing your headlights and protecting the surrounding paint with tape. Use the included cleaning solution and sanding pad to gently remove the cloudy, oxidized layer. Rinse and dry the lenses, then apply a protective sealant to keep them looking new. The whole process costs less than a tank of gas and can be done in an afternoon. Why wait for the problem to get worse? Cloudy headlights aren't just a minor annoyance, they're a real safety hazard. With this affordable, easy hack, you can restore your headlights, improve your visibility, and enhance your car's appearance in just a few simple steps. For less than $15, you get peace of mind and a safer driving experience. If you found this tip helpful and want to see more practical, money-saving car care advice, make sure to subscribe. There are plenty of simple solutions out there that can help you keep your vehicle looking and performing its best, and we're here to share them with you. Don't forget, clear headlights aren't just about style. They're about safety, confidence, and taking pride in your ride. Thanks for tuning in, and happy driving.